All right, next question comes from Ralph. I have just retired and read that if my taxable income for any given year is $75,900 or less, then long-term capital gains taxes are not applicable. Does it make sense to liquidate all of my stock holdings and use the proceeds to live off of and put any excess cash into savings or back into the market, starting a new tax basis?
Well, I wouldn't say any given year, but certainly in 2019, if your adjusted gross income is below $75,900, actually, I think it's higher this year. It's $78,750. But basically, and he's married, half that if you're single. If your adjusted gross income is below that and you have long-term capital gains, you'll pay a tax rate of 0 on that. But you shouldn't sell all your stocks because as you sell those stocks, that will add to your adjusted gross income. And at some point, you'll get over that $78,000 or whatever threshold that is. It certainly makes sense to do that up to that point. You sell the stock, you will owe no taxes on the capital gains. You can buy it back immediately. There's no 30-day waiting rule like there is for losses, and you set a new cost basis. Perfectly fine idea. Just don't do it all, and then all of a sudden you have a $400,000 income, and then you will pay long-term capital gains on most of those.
So I have the threshold up in front of me for married filing joint. It's $78,750 of taxable income,
Right.
which means to get to your gross income, you can add back your standard deduction.
Right. So the standard deduction for married filing jointly is for 2019 is over $24,000.
Yeah, $24,400.
So you could have a gross income of $100,000, take those deductions, and still have some of your capital gains be 0, and also your qualified dividends as well.
Yeah, and the other cool thing is like if you itemize deductions because you have a house or you give to charity, you can back off even more than that standard deduction. So you could have even more than $100,000 of gross income and still get to the right taxable income number. Yeah. The magic one.
The magic one.
Yeah.